An insured discovers water damage in her home. What's actually going to happen to her?
Good morning. I've got a problem. Something in my bathroom is leaking, and the wall is damaged by 3 meters.
Okay, let me ask you some questions. Okay, so we can send a plumber to evaluate your claim.
It sounds simple, but behind it there's a whole machine starting up.
The best available professional in your area is free this afternoon from 5 to 6 p.m.
Great.
It's 5 o'clock, and the plumber arrives.
Can you confirm that all the repairs are adequately finished?
Yes, everything is solved.
From 1 to 5, how would you rate our service?
5.
Good, thank you.
We secure your future.